Hey guys, today on Low Carb with Jennifer, we are going to make this easy Indian curry chicken using coconut milk. You can find the recipe in the description below, or you can go to jenniferbands.com and search for Indian chicken curry. Today we are making an Indian chicken curry with coconut milk. It's going to be super delicious. I love curry. Do you love curry? I hope you do. So, sorry for my corniness. Let me start over because that was really stupid. Okay, we are making Indian chicken curry. I love curry, and I hope you love curry, or else I guess you wouldn't be watching this video. So we're gonna make it with chicken breast. You could use boneless, skinless chicken thighs if you want. Actually, this might be a mix, I can't remember. And then we've got half of, this was a large onion, and the first thing I'm going to do for my curry is I'm going to fry this onion in some avocado oil. You could also use coconut oil, but I didn't have any. So we're gonna get our pan hot, and we're gonna add in 3 tablespoons of oil. And my oil is almost gone. It's gone. So we've got half of a large onion, and I cut it into julienne, I don't know what you call that. Anyway, big chunks. So we're gonna let this oil get hot, and then we're gonna fry the onion in the oil until it's nice and brown. Okay, we can add our onion. Ooh. Bottom round up. Okay, we're just gonna move those around. I don't know why I'm using this. Find something else. So I'm going to take this core out. We don't want that in there. We're just going to get this onion golden brown. It shouldn't take too long. There's onion up in here. Now this is a quick curry recipe. We're just going to use some curry powder and call it curry and coconut milk. But a lot of, traditional curry recipes, they make their own curry. And when you're busy and you just need a quick dinner, we don't have time for that, so we just use curry powder. And our onion is starting to get brown. Okay, our onions look pretty delicious, so I'm going to add in the curry powder just so we can get it I don't know, whatever it does whenever it cooks the curry powder. Cook it a little bit. And then we can add in our chicken. I'm going to scoot all of the onions to one side of the pan and add in our chicken. Ooh, I can smell that curry powder. It smells so good. And I'm going to season the chicken with salt, plenty of salt, and some garlic, and some ginger. And I just love my shortcuts. And that ginger paste from the produce section is the best thing. Ooh, this is looking so good. That looks good. So we're going to get our chicken browned a little bit, and then we can add in ingredients overboard. Going to get our chicken browned a little bit, and then we can add in our coconut milk and let this simmer. Goodness. Got lots of brown bits on the bottom of the pan to scrape up with our coconut milk. It's gonna give this so much flavor. Okay, let's add in our coconut milk. And this is full fat coconut milk. And I try and get one, it's hard to find without guar gum and all that crap in it, but sometimes you just gotta get what you can get at the grocery store. So this one has got lots of coconut cream on top. All of that in there. Okay, let's scrape the bottom. Let that coconut milk melt into this delicious sauce. And we can let this simmer. We're going to turn the heat down to let this simmer until the chicken is done. This was super quick. So we're going to want this to simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes, just until the chicken is cooked through. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. I cannot wait to eat this. Okay, I'm gonna cover this with a lid and let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes till the chicken is cooked through. Okay, our, what's it called? Indian chicken curry is all ready and it looks amazing. And so I've already got some cauliflower rice that I steamed and I put into the bowl, and now I'm just gonna spoon some of this delicious curry on top. It looks so good. And even the onions look good. I'm not a huge onion fan, but when they're cooked like this, I like them. Get some more sauce. I'm all about some sauce. Okay, and now we're gonna put some cilantro, lots of cilantro. I love cilantro. I'm just gonna cover up the chicken with all that cilantro. That looks good. And I hope you try this recipe. This looks amazing. I cannot wait to dig in. And you can find the link to the recipe in the description below, of course, or you can go to jenniferbands.com and search for Indian chicken curry. I will see you guys later. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.